typed up completed, right, Prashant? Structures completed. I think nested structures we have to discuss. Self-referential structures, all completed, I think. Sorry. Structure initialization, nameless structures. The last session completed. Structures, variables, structure variables, nameless structures. Next, structure initialization. Yeah. Next, type def and type def structures. Till here, I think completed. Next one is nested structures. Completed nested structures also. And array of structures, nested structures we discussed. Okay. Structure within the structure, guys. Structure student. What is the nested structure? Structure within the structure. How to declare struct student, guys? We can take struct structure or employee details. We can take struct employer student date of birth. Into student number, character s name of 20, right? One more struct DOB. Can I take DOB here? Yes. Now I am taking int date, month, year. This is, guys. Can I create a local and global variables for this local global variable? For this s is a local variable. How to access them? How to access structure members in this nested structure, guys. Okay. Student number, guys. How to access s dot student number equals to 100. Student name, guys. How to write student name? strcpy of s dot s name equals to, we can write ABC. This is student name. Next, date of birth, guys. S dot d dot data equals to 10. S dot d dot month equals to 8 or something. Your wish, guys. S dot d dot year. We can write 1999 or something. By this nested structure, accessing is like this, guys. Struct student. Guys, completed. Huh? Yeah, see this array of structures, guys. Next step. Structure arrays are array of structures. Structure arrays are array of structure. How to create array elements, guys? Structure array. How to create structure array? We can take on structure, guys. We can create structure arrays, guys. Okay. See this. I want to take one structure array. See this. How to take structure array, guys? Can I take a structure student through two fields I want to create, guys? Okay. What are the two fields? S number, character S name of 20. This S of 3. What is S of 3, guys? 3 numbers. We can take 3 members. This is a global variable. We can create local variable also, guys. Okay. How to create local variable? Like this. Struct student S of 3. Okay. When I create S of 3, 3 variables will be created. S of 0, S of 1, S of 2. This is what, guys? This is S number, S name, S number. This is also S number, S name. This is S number. This is S of 0, guys. This is S of 1, S of 2. Okay, what is S, guys? This is S of 0, guys. Draw the diagram for this. S is pointer, like it's a pointer. This is S of 0 dot S number, S of 0 dot S name. It creates 3 structure array elements, guys. Defaultly elements are, if it is global variable 0 or null, it is a local variable garbage values. You know that. Draw that diagram, guys. Complete S of 0, S of 1 and S of 2. Yeah, we have to access these variables, guys, in the program. See this. Okay. Yeah, how to access, create a structure first. Which fields we are going to take? Struct to student. Take S number and S field. S number, character S name of 20. Local variable or global variable, that is your wish. You can write here also, we can write the main function also. Here can I take a struct to student of S of 3. For example, 3 means 3 only. Here I will take 100. I will read n value, guys. Okay, what is n? Can I take n value, guys, here? Yes. Same like integer array. I is required and n also required. Enter number of students. Printf. Enter number of students, guys. How to enter number of students here? Scanf. Take the scanf, guys. Percentile d address of n. Read n students, guys. Printf. Enter number and enter the students. Enter student details. Okay, how many you have to enter? See this, guys. For example, n for I equals to 0. Same like array, guys. How to read I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. While reading here, s of I dot, s of 0 dot, scanf. Take a scanf, guys. You can take percentile d, percentile s. Percentile is what? S of I dot, s number, s of I dot, s name. The printing also, print the student detail. This is reading and printing also same way, guys. Right? How to print? Student details are, yeah, I less than n, I less slash n. See this. They are going to this printf. While printing, printf for percentile percentile s. Student number, student name. But here on missing is what? Address of operator. Use address of operator. Here also address of operator. Once execute, guys, 3 errors. Printf should have a prototype. Okay. If I don't want to write the prototype, then what we can do, guys? Save as a .c extension. Yes. Enter the number of students. 3. Enter the student details. 101 ABC. 102 XYZ. 103 PQR. Right? Student number 101 ABC, 102 XYZ, 103 PQR. Okay, now diagram also, guys. 3 variables S of 0, S of 1, and S of 2. Write this program array of structures. Guys, completed reading and printing. Guys, completed Yeah, next. Unions, guys. Okay. Self-referential structures are there, but self-referential structure at the time of data structures we discussed. Okay, next. Union, guys. Okay, what is union, guys? There is no difference, guys. Union student structure union syntax is same except the keyword, right? Int s number, character s name of 20, float average. What is the difference, guys, here? Structure and union. Yeah, Sanjay. In structures, the size of the structure is sum of all structures member size. All structures member size. Nothing but the size of structure is size of structure equals to size of s number plus, okay, size of s name plus size of average. Okay, now 2 plus 20 plus size of s number integer 2 plus 20 plus 4, 26 bytes will be allocated. This is size of s number, size of structures. In unions, right? In unions, the size of the union is maximum size of the data member maximum size of the data member. Okay. Now size of union is nothing but a maximum of data type value. Maximum size of data type. Maximum max size of uh, data type. Max size of data member. What is the max size of data member, guys? Nothing but a size of S name. S name is 20 bytes. Now the size of S name is what? 20 bytes. Yeah, common memory shared by all the union members. Common memory shared by all union members. Diagram I will give, guys. What is the use of this, right? First diagram I will write. First write this guy. In union, the main difference is size or memory allocation. In structures and union, main difference is here 26 bytes, here 20 bytes. Okay, how to allocate memory will be allocated, but how to access them? Okay, I will show you guys in the diagram. Okay, the diagram will be like this, guys. In structures and unions, what is the allocation completed? In structure, sum of all structure member size. In union only, it takes max size of union member, guys. Max size of union member. Guys, diagram for structure memory and union memory, guys. Yeah, what will happen in structure memory and union memory? So this is a diagram for union, guys. Common memory, 20 memory. S dot S number means this 2 bytes data will get. S dot S number means this 2 bytes data. S dot S name means this 20 bytes data. S dot average means this 4 bytes data. Okay, S dot S number, only these 2 bytes data will get. At that moment, whatever the value is available, that data will be printed, guys. Are you following, guys? At that moment, what is the data? At that moment, what is the data located in that field? That data will get. I will tell one example, then you can understand clearly. Rather this diagram, S dot S number, these 2 fields, S dot S name, these 20 fields, S dot average is these 4 fields, 4 bytes. Guys, complete one program will tell you, then you can understand, guys. At a time, what one data is available, guys. Two data means 2 fields data not available. At a time, one largest size it takes, largest data member size it takes. But when you are accessing as, it takes what? One field is only available, guys, at a time. Okay, I will write on program, then you can understand, guys. See, what is mean by one field available at a time? Okay, now see this. Simple only, you can understand easily. Take integer, guys. Sorry, union ABC. Now I will take 2 fields, guys. What are the 2 fields? Take 2 fields. Int x, character ch. 2 fields I am taking. Take 2 fields. Union variable. Can you take union variable? That is your wish, guys. See this? Main function I am taking. Void main function. Take main function. Now int x, character. Now can I create a union ABC, guys? Union ABC, yes, sir. Okay. Now I am going to print the value, guys. Okay, what are the default values, guys? In 2 fields is there, right? For example, if I write percentile D, percentile C. What is percentile D value? S dot X, S dot CH. Some garbage values will be there. That garbage values will be printed. See this, some garbage value. But when I say S dot X equals to 321, what is 321? For 321, guys, see this, we are getting 321A. How did you get 321A, guys? Okay, now see, this is easy, guys. 321 binary value, guys. Right, 321 binary value, 2 bytes, guys. This is 2 bytes because highest data type is integer x. When I say x, this 2 bytes data will get. X means 2 bytes data. Only ch means 1 byte data. Okay, now this is ch, s dot ch, s dot x means 2 bytes data. 321. If I write 321, what is the binary value for 321? Guys, can you write 320 binary value, guys? Tell me what is the binary value of 321? Yeah, if you write 321 binary value, guys, we'll get something 00001 something, right? And 10001, guys. We'll get the binary value for like this. This is a binary value we'll get like this, guys, right? S dot ch means S dot x means 2 bytes data. S dot ch means we get 1 byte data. I think this is only one. Check it, guys. This is 2 power 0. 1 it is 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6. 2 power 6 is 64. Yeah, 64 plus 1, 65. Here in this data, what is there? 65. Okay. Now if I print percentile C S dot CH, what is 65 ASCII value, guys? Capital A will get that. 322. If you give 322, guys, then what will get, guys? Then 65 value, you can write the diagram. That's 321 and X value is what, guys? The CH value is A. Why CH value is Y, guys? In that byte, 65 will be stored. Because in the binary format, that is the value will be stored, guys. Okay, if we check S dot CH value, 65 will get. What is 65 value? That is 65 nothing but capital A. Clear that one, guys? Binary value for 321. If you write binary value for 321, we'll get like that. The 65 value is capital A, guys. Completed. One check it. This value is 321A, the diagram. Now same, I will change 322. If I give 322, guys, what will happen? That B value will get it. Okay, 322B. Memory savers at a time. Instead of working with the union, that memory you can save. Yeah, for example, I will change S dot CH, guys, 10. I'll make it this 10, guys. If I make it 10 or 20, see this what I can do, guys. Now can I print the percentile value and percentile C value? That value will be affected. S dot X comma S dot CH. S dot CH. S dot X comma S dot CH. That value will be affected. We'll get that value, guys. S dot CH value is, can I write a 65? 10 will get. Percentile C means the 10 enter character will be printed, guys. Okay, now. If I give 63 or something, that value will be printed. If I write percentile, that percentile is a 10 only will be printed because ASCII value 266. That value will get this value. Clear? This value will, what is the value, guys? 266. Why 266 and 10? This is 321 and 321 is 65. What is 65 is A. Now we are changing the previous value to 10, guys. That is 256 plus 10. This is 256 plus 66. How did you get 66, guys? This is what? The first byte. What is the first byte you will get? 256 plus 65. What is 256 plus 65? 321. Yeah. In the first byte, you have 256. In the second byte, what I have changed, guys? Here, how did you get 256? 256 plus 10. That's why you got 266. Then value, second value is 10. First byte value, second byte value. Guys, completed. Next, enums, guys. Next, enums. What is enum? Enum is a user-defined data type. User-defined data type of integer. It creates sequence of integer numbers. It generates sequence of integer, sequence of numbers, sequence of integer values. Enum is a user-defined data type of integer. It creates user-defined data type of integer. Okay, it creates sequence of integer values. For example, see this, guys. Enum label name. Yeah, syntax is what? Constant equals to value. Constant equals to value. We can write constant 2, constant 3. We can write like this and so on. Syntax is, can I write enum ABC? Sequence of numbers you can generate, guys. ABC name. A, normally constants we write a capital letters A, B, sequence of numbers C, D, like that. What is the ABC values, guys? A value is 1, B value is 2. Automatically it takes default values. If it did not start with any value, it starts with 0. Now we are going to print AB values, guys. Print AB values. Printf. Directly we can print, guys. Percentile D, percentile, percentile, percentile. Now what is A value? What is B value? What is C value? And what is D value? This value is what, guys? 1, 3, 4. This is ABCD values. Default it takes 1. Whatever the number you give, it takes the next number it generates. Okay, no? That is the enums. Nothing difficult to understand that. About nothing else. Sequence of integer values it generates. If you give d equals to 2, d value 2 it takes. I will give one more example. Write this. Now, for example, example 2. A is 1, C is example. I will start with minus 2 or 10. Now A is how much? 1, B is 2, 10, 11. 1 to 10, 11. This is A, B, C, D. A is 1, B is 2 only. A is 1, B is 2, C is almost 10, D is almost 11. 10.5 will be printed, Mahesh. No. If you mention, it takes sequence of next value. It takes depends upon previous value. Last D కి ఇస్తే D వాల్యూ ఒకటే తీసుకుంటుంది, రైట్? ఏ 1 2 3 దెన్ D వాల్యూస్ మీరు ఎంత ఇస్తాం విజ్ఞాన్. We did not mention anything, it starts from 0. Default value is 0. Yeah, guys, completed. Next, guys, what is the next topic? What is the next topic, guys? I want functions with structures. Okay, Mahesh. Right. Functions with structures. And also nested union with structures you can write, guys. Structures with union and unions with structures, right? Structures with union, not structures with unions. Structures in union. Structures with the union, unions in structure, vice versa, both. Can I write a struct ABC, guys? Integer x, float 4 bytes. This is float f. Same union I have taken union xyz. This variable name is x1. This variable name is a1. Okay. Now I want size of. Can I take int here a1 float f1. Now, guys, tell me structures in unions, unions in structures. Size of x1 is how much? And reverse, we write a size of x1 is size of a1. Guys, tell me what is the size of the structure and size of the union. Just tell me here. Write this and size of structure, size of union. Yeah, make it this as a unit, right? This is 4 bytes, this is 10 bytes here. This is a union, this is structure. Now tell me answer for what is this size, what is structure size? 12 6, huh? Yeah, the size of x1 is 6. Why 12 6, man? Yeah, size of A1. What is A1, guys? Union. Highest size it takes. What is the highest size? 6 bytes. Yeah, next, right? Structures in union, guys. And one more topic is there. You try that program, guys. Okay. Next topic is files we discuss. You try this structures in functions. Next topic is what, guys? Files. Right? Files, guys. What is variable? What is file, guys? Variable is a memory space name, temporary name given to a memory location. It stores the data temporarily. Variable is used to store the small amount of data temporarily. It is used to store the data temporarily. Variable also used to store the data temporarily. Temporarily means in RAM. Yeah, guys. Next, file. What is file, guys? File is used to store the data, store the large amount of data, permanently. Used to store the large amount of data permanently. Right? Yeah. How to create a file, guys? Yeah. How to create a file? How to create a file? Okay. To create a file, yeah. Here permanently means hard disk. How to create a file? To create a file, we need file pointer. How to declare, guys? File star fp. File pointer stores the file address. File address or null value. File address or null. Okay. Next, how to open a file. Okay. We can open a file or we can create a file using fopen function. Yeah. What is the fopen, guys? Right. It opens the file in different modes. Opens the file in different modes. Fp equals to, we can open like this, guys. Fopen of file name and mode. File name and mode. Syntax you can write like this. Fp equals to fopen of sample.txt file name, write mode or read mode. Yeah, what are the modes are there, guys? W, write mode, or read mode, A, append mode. Okay. Next, W plus is also is there. Write and read, R plus, read and write, A plus, both the W plus and R plus. Write this, guys. And we have other modes also, guys. W plus B, write mode of binary files. R plus B, A plus B. We have other modes also. Write mode for binary files. Binary files. Okay. Read mode for binary files. Append mode for binary files. Files are two types, guys. One is text files Binary files. Text files. What are the text files, guys? .txt, .doc, .ppt, .html, .word. These all are, guys. Binary files means .jpg, .png, .mp3, mp4. Yeah, encrypted everything. మనకు కనిపించే డేటా కనిపిస్తే అది టెక్స్ట్, డేటా కనిపించకపోతే అది ఎన్క్రిప్టెడ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇమేజెస్ ఫైల్స్ డాట్ పీడిఎఫ్ ఆల్సో బైనరీ ఫైల్ ఉంది. Once try to copy that PDF data in the text file, guys. Yeah, Sanjay. Once copy PDF files in the text file, you may not get properly, guys. Some different data copy will be copied. That is a binary data it contains. Yeah, file input and output functions. File input and out function. And one more before this, guys, fclose. Closes the file. File input output functions. What are the input functions, guys? Fget C, Fget S, Fscanner, Fwrite functions also. Output function, Fput C, Fget, Fput S, Fscanner, Fprintf, Fwrite, Fread. That's completed, huh? Yeah. Now how to create a file, how to write the data into the file. We write, guys, see one. Create a file and write the data into the file. Okay, guys, see how to create a file and how to write the data into the file. Complete a question. No, Mahesh. We need to learn. No, it is in the syllabus. Array, strings, functions. These are only mainly and structures. Yeah. See this how to create a file. Just reading the writing and we'll finish. Okay. How to write the data, how to read the data. See this. First create a file, guys. How to create a file, guys? File star fp. File will be created, guys. fp goes to how to create a file. F open up. You can write, guys, where you want to create a location. Also you can mention D drive sample.txt. Which mode, guys? Write mode. What is write mode, guys? If there is no file, it creates new file. If file also there, it deletes the existing one, it creates new file. Okay. For example, if file is created, fp value something it contains. Otherwise, if file is not created, fp value it returns null. When it creates null, guys. For example, Z drive, there is no Z drive. For example, if you write, that does it create a file, guys? No. For example, mode, if you give a wrong mode, for example, X mode, is there X mode? Then it gives an error. Okay, now write mode, read mode. Okay, drives also. If fp equals to file, guys, then you can write printf file creation error. File creation error. Then how to write the data into the file? Else file is created, guys. File is created. Then how to read the data? How to write the data into the fprintf? You are writing data into the file. File pointer. What you want to write? Welcome to C files. The times I'm writing welcome to C files. Yeah, if you want to write a For example, if you want to write a formatted data, guys, percentile, see this. Next line, I want to print percentile, hello, and one more percentile. Can I print that value? 100 value, first value is 100, second value is 200. A formatted data also you can read. You can write, guys. Finally, close the function. F close of FP. Close the function. Writing and reading. And I will give a message, guys. File created successfully. Fprintf of not fprintf, printf, guys. Printf file created. File created. I want to write once execute, guys. 3 errors. Null header files should be declared. Hash include stdio.h, guys. Once execute, file created. Where, guys? In read drive sample.txt. Go and check it, guys. Sample.txt. This is sample.txt, guys. Welcome to C files. DOC will be created. Okay. DOC documents, PDF, HTML, XLS. Every file will be created, guys. Whatever the file you want to create, that all files will be created. After completion of writing data, we have to close the file, guys. Okay, write this. When it returns null, guys. For example, Z drive, if you have mention Z drive, guys. Now if I mention Z drive, file creation error. Okay, this is okay, guys. If I wrote X mode, what is X mode? For example, there is no mode, file creation error. If mode are this is wrong. What is append mode, guys? It file created. If file is there, it will add the content to that file. Write mode means it deletes the existing one. See, 3 times it is writing. Welcome to C files, welcome to C files, welcome to C files. Okay, na? Difference is you understood, right? Try this, guys. Guys, completed, huh? Yeah, completed. Next, how to read the data from the file. Yeah, guys, how to read data from the file. If you want to read data from the file, you have to understand FP4F, guys. End of file. Okay, it returns true if it is end of file. Otherwise, it returns false. Otherwise, it returns false. Okay. Next, fgetC function. What is fgetC function? It reads the one by one character from the file. It reads the one by one character from the file. Okay. Yeah. UOF means end of file means -1. You can say EOF. What is EOF, guys? -1. Okay, no? See this. How to read the data from the file? FP equals null. Which mode we have to open, guys? Write mode. Sorry, read mode we have to open. Okay, no? Now FP equals to null. It's not file creation error. File does not exist. Ledan ardham, right? File doesn't exist. If file is there, guys, then how to handle, guys? If file is there, see what we can do, guys. If file is there, read one character, ch, fgetC of fp, one character you are reading. Keep in while loop, guys. I want to keep in while loop. While of 1. What is while of 1, guys? Always true. It reads one character. Read a first character and print it. While printing, delay function I use, guys. Delay of function. 1000. Print the character. How to print the character, guys? Percentile C, ch value. Ch value I'm printing. Okay, one character I'm printing. But stop condition should be there, no? How to write a stop condition, guys? Character ch. Okay, see this. I will write two ways, guys. This is one way. If ch equals to EOF. EOF means break. Stop this loop. Okay, otherwise, see once, guys. It is reading W, E, one character it is reading, guys. Now I want some speed, guys. Then what we can do, guys? instead of delay of 1000, use delay of 100 guys. So some speed it is printing. Welcome to C files, 100, welcome 200, welcome to C files, 100, welcome 200. Like this, it will reading from the file. Then we can use like this. It's a one-way method. One method. Yeah, see this. Like this we can write, or another way also we can write. Yes. Direct FPOF function. Stop writing. While of FPOF of direct function. FPOF of FP. One character it will read, guys. Okay. See this. If it is false, if it is true, when it is true, guys. If it is null, it's true. If it is not null, it's false. Then returns true. See this, guys. What I can write? Print that character. How to print the character, guys? Percentile C. Two steps here. CH value are going to print. Okay. How to read a character? CH equals to F get C of FP. F get C of FP. Get C function you have to use, guys. Delay is required. Yeah, delay. I want to use delay of 100. Here, no need of stop condition. We can write two ways using F get C function or FUOF. One error, guys. Undefined symbol FUOF. Sorry, FUOF. Sorry. Welcome to C files. 100. Two ways you can write it. Sanjay, your doubt is what? FUOF. End of file అయితే return true return చేస్తుంది. Last కి పోయింది అనుకోండి, if it is pointing at last, it returns true. If it is not pointing at last, it returns 0. Write this program, how to read data from the file. Yeah, many functions are there, guys. fseek, fwind, fread, std in, std out. Okay, I will show you those all functions also. Guys, almost completed. Files also. See, I will send a files notes, guys. Many functions are there, many programs. See this. You can take. Now I'm giving a files notes. I'm sharing in chat box, guys. Here, see. Yeah, see, guys. I have shared the document. You can download and you can take. Right. Many programs are there. FC key, FTL, many functions are there. STD in, STD out. Okay. Once go through that notes, guys. Once go through that notes, yeah, easily can understand. If you have any doubts, in the next session, we discuss. This is the last session for C, guys. Yeah, any if you have any doubts, also in the next session we'll discuss. Okay. Neha, which one, Neha? FUF. In phone you can't see. In the phone you can see in the only laptop or computer. I have shared in the draft box to everybody. I think you can see the screen. Me to everyone. Okay. I'm not in the WhatsApp group, man. To this. Yeah, Nagasnigdha. I have given my number. No, you have my number, right? I'll share in the dot number. Okay. Everybody is there in this group also available. No, Nagasnigdha. But you have to open in the right. Okay, guys. Thank you. That's all. If you have any doubts in the next session, guys, we discuss all the doubts. Okay. And what are the if any topics left, those topics will cover in the next session. That's all, guys. Thank you.